It says, what is another way to represent the expression 2n plus 1, parentheses, n plus 3, parentheses, minus 4? First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my highlighter, and I'm going to underline this part here. And that tells me I'm going to have to use this box. I'm going to have to multiply binomials times binomials. 2n plus 1, and then n plus 3. And I'm just going to multiply. 2n times n is 2n squared. 2n times 3 is 6n. n times 1 is 1n. And 3 times 1 is 3. If I combine like terms with these two, I'm going to get 2n squared plus 7n plus 3, and then don't forget the minus 4. So my answer is going to be 2n squared plus 7n minus 1. Okay, let's see if we get lucky. Does any of these say this? Exactly. It doesn't. Let me show you, not a shortcut, but if you think about it, let's look at D. The reason why D is not the answer, class, what is n times n? N squared, not 2n squared. Do you see I don't have to do the rest of the problem? You can. If I were doing it, you could just do each of these individually and figure out which of those said that. But I can also eliminate some of my answers. Same thing in B. N times n would be n squared. This is 2n squared, so B can't be my answer. Now C is close, and I would basically do the same thing as we did over here. But I want to look at this one. This one I don't have to use FOIL or the box because I don't have a parentheses binomial 1, 2 times a binomial. This one all I have to do is just distribute. So let me see what would happen if I just distribute on that problem. I would get something like this. 2n squared plus 6n, and then I have this plus n minus 1. And if I just combine like terms right there, I get 2n squared plus 7n minus 1. And does that match what we have? Yeah. So the correct answer for 8 is A. If you guys think about it, multiple choice isn't guessing or even educated guessing. It's actually like doing the math. It's just one of the answers is there to check your answers.